Okay, so let's look at finding all the factors of a number. Let's look at number 10 here. So we can say 1 times 10 is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. So what are our factors of 10? They are 1 and 10, 2 and 5. So we're going to list them in order from smallest to biggest. So we're going to say fine, 1, that's this one over here. Then we're going to put a comma. Then we're going to say the next one is 2. That's this one over here. Then the next one is 5. That's that one. So we're going to put it down. And then the last one is 10 on this particular problem. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Let's look at the next one. So we're going to do number 6 now. We have 1 times 6 and 2 times 3, because we know our times tables. So our factors of 6 are 1, I'm going to write a 1 down, 2, write a 2 down, 3, we write our 3 down, and 6. So we're going to write our 6 down. So here are the factors of 6. They are 1, 2, 3, and 6 in order from smallest to biggest. Let's look at number 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. It's got a few more than the others before. So we're going to write our factors of 12. The 1 we're going to write down. 1, comma, next one we're going to write is 2. 2, comma, next one is 3. 3, comma, next one is 4. 4. Then we've got 6. We haven't got 5 because 5 doesn't go into 12. So we've got 6. We know our times table, so we know what can go into 12. And 12 times 1 is also 12, so we're going to write 12 down. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. See how easy it is to find out factors of numbers because you know your times tables. Let's look at number 15. Okay, so we have here number 1. 1 times 15. We have number 3. 3 times 5. We have number 5 because it's 5 times 3. And we have number 15 itself because it's 1 times 15. So our factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Okay, how cool is that? Let's look at 24. Okay, we don't know our 24 times table, but we do know that 1 times 24 will be 24 because 1 times itself, the number itself is always on its own times table. So don't worry if you don't know your 24 times table, but we do know that 2 times 12 comes to 24. So from there onwards, we do know the answers. Okay, so let's look at the first one. 1. 1 will be a factor. Okay, now 2 we know because 2 times 12. 2 will be a factor. 3 will be a factor because it's 3 times 8. 4 will be a factor because it's 4 times 6. Those are ones you know on your times tables. 6 will be a factor because it's 6 times 4. You know that on your 6 times table. 8 will be a factor because it's 8 times 3. You can see it's just the reverse of what's happening up at the top there. And then 12 will be a factor because it's 12 times 2. And 24 will be a factor because it's 24 times 1. I think you're getting a better picture here now of how to find factors of a number. This one for 24, we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 are factors of 24. So there you've had a quick rundown on how to factorize a number. And it's a very important skill going forward. We're going to work with this a lot, even into senior school, so make sure you understand it well.